Let's learn single crochet today. We need hook and yarn. In previous video, we have learned about slip stitch and chain stitch.
Video link you can find up there. We have already chain of 10 stitches and then we will make single crochet from there. We can count starting from first chain and we have 10 chains here and each chains have 3 strands. When we are working crochet from the chain, then we work in the top loop of the chain. If we flip it on the wrong side, you can see all the different chains, all the loops clearly. When you flip over, then you can see all 3 bars or 3 loops of the chain clearly. One loop is at the bottom side, one is at the middle, and one is on the top side. And each chain has these 3 loops or bars. And when we are working with our first row, we will work in the top loop. And that's how it looks like from the right side. On the right side, you can see 2 bars, one at the bottom and one on the top. And we will work in the top bar only to make our single crochet. To make the single crochet, we will take our hook. I'm using 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, and we will insert the hook inside the loop. When we work with the single crochet and making the first row, we skip the first chain and work in the second chain from hook. And this is the second chain, and we will see the top bar or top part of the chain. In that we will make our first single crochet. We need to bring the hook underneath that top bar and wrap the yarn on the hook and then pull through that bar or loop. Then we have 2 loops on the hook. Now we will wrap the yarn on the hook again, and now we need to bring it slowly towards the both loops on the hook and pull through both of them. That's how we make single crochet. Our first single crochet is complete. Now for the second single crochet, we will go in the next chain in the top loop as well. Insert your hook in the top bar or top line of the hook, or you can say loop as well, and pull through that loop. You have 2 loops on the hook now. We will wrap the yarn on the hook and pull through both the loops that were already on the hook, and we got our single crochet. That is second single crochet. In the same way, we will go for the third one. We will go on the top loop or top bar or top, whatever you want to say, wrap the yarn on the hook, pull through that loop. We have 2 loops on the hook, wrap the yarn on the hook again and pull through these 2 loops that are already on the hook, and we got our third single crochet. In the same way, we will keep going in the top loops of the chain like this, bringing a loop, then yarn over and pulling through the both loops that are already on the hook, and that's how we complete our single crochet. In the same way, we will keep working and we will complete our row. As we had 10 chains and we skipped first chain and worked in the second chain from hook, so we should have 9 single crochets in total. It's important to count the single crochet when you are making, as we don't want to miss a stitch. We don't want less than 9 and we don't want more than 9 to have even line. And make sure to make 1 single crochet in the last chain. This is the last chain, and here we make a single crochet as well, and we will count them to make sure that we have 9 single crochets. That's how perfect single crochet row look like. Our first row is complete and we have 9 single crochets. Now we will start working on row number 2. We will put our hook back in the loop and then make 1 chain. We always make 1 chain when we are making new row. We will make a chain and then flip the work over. This is the right side of the work. I'll show you again. We put the hook in the loop and flip the work over like this.
When we working
We
in
are
the
supposed to work from
first row, then
right
we
to
are
left.
working in the chain, so it's slightly different. But for the from second row, we have to
And to
work
make
underneath the
the
both
second
loops.
row and all the rows after
This
second
is
row,
the
we need to work underneath
right side
both
of the
loops
work
that you
where
can
we
see
have to
from top.
work in these stitches. And
From
if
the
you
right
see
side
from
it
the
looks
top,
like this,
you can see the two bars. So we
and
have
you
to
have
go
to work
underneath these both
underneath
bars to
these
make
two
our
loops that you
single
can see
crochets.
from the top,
So that's
these
how
two.
normally it works.
You
We
have
have
to
to go
go
underneath
underneath
these
these
two
two loops
stitches to
of the
create your
chain and make your
single
single
crochet.
crochets. In the previous row number 1, we went in
Bring
one
your hook in this
bar
hole.
of the top chain,
This will be your first stitch. So go
and
underneath the
for
first stitch
second row we will go
here
in this
and
space
make sure you are
for the
underneath
first single
the both
crochet
bars.
underneath the both loops that you can see
That's
from
how it
above.
looks like
That's how it
from the
looks like from
top
top. That's how it looks like
and
from
from back.
front. And
Now wrap
that's
the
how
yarn
it
on the
looks like
hook
from
and
back
pull
side.
through. Now you
Wrap the
have
yarn on
two
the
loops on
hook,
the hook. Wrap the
pull
yarn on
it.
the hook and pull through both loops
You have
that
two
are
loops
already on the hook.
on the hook.
It's the same process
Wrap the
of
yarn on the
making
hook
single crochets,
and pull through both loops
only
that were on the hook.
when you're working from second
In
row,
the same way,
you
go
go
in the
underneath
next
both
single
loops.
crochet, going underneath the both loops that you can see from the top, and then wrap the yarn on the hook, pull it. You have two loops on the hook. Wrap the yarn and pull through both loops. In the same way, we will complete the row. And we have completed our second row. We have 9 single crochet. Count and make sure you have 9 single crochet. We should have same number of stitches as we have in the first row. In the first row we had 9 single crochets. We should have 9 single crochets in each row now, and we have to repeat this row number 2 for the entire project if you want to make the same design. I hope you like the tutorial and find it easy to work with. I'll see you in next video. Until then, have a nice time. Bye.